Indeed he was, yes. So it's been his time in London until recent years. Yes, they stuck together, but I don't know how much he saw of her. That remains, again, a bit of a mystery. But,
did they live separately as the king and queen?
Oh no, when he was in Stratford, he lived there and he kept going back. In fact, he bought a new house. He didn't go back to his birthplace. In 1597, he bought a big house, biggest in Stratford, called New Place. And when you go to Stratford, you can see where it was. It was pulled down in the 18th century, but you can see the grounds there and how big it was. And he lived there. Now, he kept going back, but there's, again, there's just so much we don't know because we don't have all the records.
We're now crossing the Millennium Bridge on the way to the Globe Theater for a tour.
We're going to the Globe Theater to take a tour of the backstage and the exhibition that they've got going on. So I'm very excited. It's an awesome Shakespearean theater, as we've learned today from Professor Chapman. It's a great experience. Very excited.
Perry came through and all of a sudden he was just bringing in the money. The people were turning out and going to the dinner going, what is this, man? I don't even like these places. And a friend of mine said, come on, just go see one. You'll enjoy it. So I said, yeah, begrudgingly I went. I was with okay, it was all right. But then I started looking, I said, Tyler Perry is doing what Shakespeare did.
He's related to the people.
He had this thing on the pulse of the people.
Right.
You know, if Shakespeare were doing, if Tyler Perry was in Shakespeare's time, he'd be doing the same.
Right. But I still look at,
and I understand what you're going to say.
No, I look at the art of the poets of the 60s and 70s. You know, they broke away from the classical tradition of writing poetry, and they said, you know, I'm going to write for the people. And the African American poets wrote for African American people.
That's true. And you got, just like the poets today, they have poetry slams and all that. A lot of them came out of the 60s because this book was saying, we were brought up, okay, read this poetry in this book. Good. So what happened was after a certain period of time, I remember when my people said, he got kicked out of school. He said, he started writing songs. There was a song. James Steele was a song. So we at the same time,
Good. And your name? Dorian.
I'm Shanti.
And I'm Erickson.
And I'm Candace.
Hi.
How often do you frequent the theater?
Not as often as I would like. Just this last year, not so often, but before maybe 2 or 3 times a year. Yeah.
What draws you into the Saturday?
Well, I think the venue, the kind of theatres we have in London are amazing.
Yeah, they are.
And really it's the productions, I would say.
And the diversity, you know, the different stuff that comes here really from very different parts of the world and very different place. You know, the Irish ones, and American ones, and English ones, and whatever. You know? So that's very interesting.
And which would you prefer, the Chronicles or the Narnias?
The drama.
The drama.
Dramas, yeah.
Dramas. I like the drama.
Yeah.
What's your favorite drama?
Oh my gosh. I don't know, it doesn't really matter as long as it's well acted.
Right.
Good script and very good acting, I think. So I don't have a particular favourite, but
Sounds good.
Yeah, I mean, neither do I actually. It really depends. I mean, I've seen a few of the Irish ones, like Frank McGuinness, and he's an Irish playwright, and he writes pretty well. And it's interesting. It's about dysfunctional families.
Okay.
Those are
It's
the
very
best.
interesting. Yeah, that's very interesting. What families are dysfunctional.
I'm Katrina Bryant from Southwest Tennessee Community College, and I'm here with Michael, and he just saw Cat on a Hot Tin Roof. How often do you go to the theater, Michael?
Do you know, it's rare occasions actually, so I'd say perhaps every couple of months, so once every couple of months.
Did you enjoy the show tonight?
Yeah, it was really good. At first I thought the first act was, or the first scene was a bit slow, but then the second act and the third act were really, really good.
What's your favorite playwright?
Whoa, I couldn't tell you my favourite playwright.
Well, what about your favorite play?
Well, I've really enjoyed, although it seems a bit soft, I love Mary Poppins. That was really cool. Yeah. If you, while you're here, go and see Mary Poppins if it's available. It's really good.
We'll check that out.
Cool.
Thank you, Michael.
No problem whatsoever. Take care.
Nice meeting you
Bye.
too. Thank you.
Cool.